my left, hailing from Emerald Isle, North Carolina, weighing in at 251 pounds, the king of old school, Steve Corino! His opponent in the corner to my right from Atlantic City, New Jersey, weighing in at 240 pounds, the Bulldozer, Matt Tremont!
Like 70, 80 then. Yeah.
Can everybody take a couple steps back? You're like in my personal space and I'm having kind of an anxiety attack. No, we don't do that. Matt, I thought I knew a lot about you, but apparently you're the Bulldozer, but you look like a goddamn lumberjack to me. Don't boo. It's a good observation.
Yeah! Remember when he was like 120%.
So this is Beyond Wrestling, huh? Yeah! This is how I'm supposed to spend my Sunday afternoon. Yeah! 2 flights on Southwest Airlines, middle seat. My fat ass can't sit in the middle. So I'm going to warn you all, kind of in a bad mood. Relax. Have I said anything that's pissing you off yet? Sit down. I'm about to tell a story. Don't you realize once I drop this microphone, the star rating goes down? Sit. For those of you who don't know me, I am a legend. For 21 years, I've traveled all over the world. I've stepped on hands everywhere. And I've done some evil things. You, and this isn't an insult, what's the best way I can put this? You're disgusting. I didn't use a curse word, so shut up. You are freaking disgusting. The things that you have done, get the camera out of my feet! The things that you've done over the years have made me sick. The things that you've done over the years, I wouldn't have done when I was in ECW. Did I get a lot? Stop! Stop! It's dead! Let it go! History lesson. I was in ECW for 2 years. I've been in ROH for 10. Still working. Now, we're in a different company. You're not allowed to chant that. Now, Matt, I wanted to come out here, like I tweeted. I said, let's do Nick Bockwinkel versus Billy Robinson. Young lady, you know who Nick Bockwinkel is? Because I don't do hardcore wrestling anymore. Hell, I don't even want to take bumps. So I say, I've already been paid way more than I asked. Let's have a great scientific match, dude! Yeah! I mean, AR Fox already stole all my high spots! Speedball apparently does not mean cocaine, it means those quick kicks! Stole all my shit! So all I got is a good little Greco-Roman man-on-man!
You see, the Providence, Rhode Island faithful know me as the most violent motherfucker in this business today. But you see, not only I'm in the most violent, you see, I'm on the Twitter once in a while. And last night, I saw you tweeted out at Steve Corino, when you're sitting ringside at Ring of Honor, you need a comfy chair. If Sinclair Broadcasting is gonna buy you anything, it's a fucking body bag when I'm done with you right here tonight.
That was rude. The only reason I know what Beyond Wrestling is because on the internet I saw a woman get slapped. Now I'm going to make it too.